Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to use advanced filters or lenses in Zoom. So by default there are some standard Zoom filters. If you go just to settings, you have video filters here. And here they are, and then you can just try them out. But you can try boost, you can enable noir, so all these different filters. And then you can just turn it off, but yeah, something like that. But these filters are not that kind of advanced. There are some funny ones, but that's all you have it. But if you download a tool which is called Snap Camera from Snapchat, just go to snapcamera.snapchat.com. It's a free app available only for Windows 10 or Mac OS 10 11 Plus. So it's not available on mobile at the moment. But you just download it, follow standard installation process either on Windows or Mac. So here is Snap Camera on my application on Mac OS. And then you just have this much larger selection of different lenses and filters. Like you can have this famous potato meme filter, then you can have stuff like that, all these super like cool filters, like big eyes filter, banana filter. Like you can't find that in the Zoom settings. So for example, you have this filter, then the next step is just to start a new meeting in Zoom or Skype. So just starting that. And then in the video section, you can just select Snap Camera. And there you have it. Now you have super cool filter in your Zoom. And then you can just disable that, go back to your webcam. So basically Snap Camera just overtakes your webcam and applies super cool filters or lenses. Yeah, that's how it works. If it doesn't work from the first time in Zoom, just restart Zoom, quit Zoom and restart. It might be try to restart your laptop as well. And then it should hopefully work. So hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in next videos.